Hey everyone, okay, so Charlotte Tilbury's PR reached out to me and they said, Wayne, would you like to see a new collection before it launches? And I was like, do you mind if I don't? Of course I didn't. I said, ship it over, and they did. So, nice little early video for you. Link in the description bar, and I'm not being paid for this video. Just so you know, they sent me the products, not being paid. Okie dokie. So, new launches, what do you think they're going to be called? Go on, guess. Guess Glowgasm. I'm not even kidding to you. They're called Glowgasm. So there are 2 massive palettes and 3 new beauty ones. Should we have a look at the palettes? I think it's best. Okay, so first one is the Lightgasm, the Glowgasm face palette in Lightgasm. I've got a feeling there is a, what's the word? What am I looking for? There's a theme going on here. Ready? Here it is. So this is the Lightgasm palette. Hard to say that with a straight face, though I could do with one right now myself. And this is the Lovegasm palette, which is the deeper shade. So there's Lovegasm, there's Lightgasm, and together, that's a multiple orgasm. So there you go. You get to pick and choose which shade suits you. Generally speaking, for me, it would be the Lightgasm because I'm very fair, but it's entirely up to you. So you have 4 shades, and basically you've got highlighter right here. This is also a highlighter as well. You've got a kind of blusher, and then you've got a bronzer. You can use them however you want. They all work kind of in tandem because these 2 really are blushers more than highlighters, but that depends on your skin tone. See, these 2 would look amazing on deeper skin tones as highlighters, but on lighter skin, you could use them as blushers. The bronzer is matte. It's got that really lovely matte texture. It's almost like a chocolate. You can't really see, but that is like a chocolate in terms of the way it looks in the pan. And let me give you a close-up of the Lightgasm as well, so you can kind of get a little look. So you can use these palettes however you want. Now, in terms of how they apply, I just take a little brush, give it a little sweepy, and you can apply it however you want. Now, with these products, these are not designed to give you that incredible, ridiculous highlight. These are much more subtle. There are a wash of a highlight, which is how I tend to prefer things. But with a heavy brush and a heavy hand, you can do whatever you want. Doesn't say if these are not safe for the eyes, so I assume they are, so you can use them as eyeshadows as well, I would imagine. This is such a pretty shade. Isn't that pretty? So we'll give it a little swirl and we'll pop it on. I love that these are so subtle. That's what I love, because they just give the prettiest look. And let me swatch the bronzer for you on my finger so you can kind of see. It's a really kind of that soft, and this would make, because you can see how fair, right, that is. It would make a perfect transition color as well. I'm a really big fan of adding a bit of your bronzer to your eyeshadow crease and then your blusher to that. So it's really pretty. Let me do a couple of swatches here as well so you can kind of see. Let's do this bottom one as well because it's so bloody pretty. Let's do it. So I've got these veiny hands which don't always look that delicious, but you can see they are just beautiful. It's such a pretty palette. And then you've got the light ones. Now again, we've got a theme going here. So this is Goldgasm. Then we've got Pinkgasm. And then we've got Peachgasm. Should we use pink? Okay, so actually let me swatch this on, oh, look at this color. So this is, I'm going to do Pinkgasm. Oh, quite pretty, I won't lie. Peach, should we do a bit of peach? Hang on, let's have a little squeeze. Ooh, you dirty minx. And then we're going to do the gold as well. So, generally speaking, look how pretty. So that's pink, that's peach, and that's gold. So bear in mind that I like to keep things quite harmonious. So pink light, fair skins, medium skin. Peach, medium skin, definitely medium skin. Gold, I think looks best on tan skin and above. Just my personal preference, but really pretty. Should we use the pink? Should we use a little bit of pink? Really pretty, really pretty. That's pretty. I'm quite excited. Do you want to know something else? I'll tell you, because I'm on a roll. I've got a feeling that there's some, oh, I'm flushed. I've got a feeling that there's some other stuff coming as well. But I can't talk about it, so I'm pretending I don't even know about it, but I believe there may be some other stuff coming that's quite sexy. Right, there you go. Link down there. I'm not being paid. I have received no money, but I would have liked to have. That's it. Had enough. I haven't had enough. I'm actually going to go and stroke these. And for those that are wondering, I will be ordering another set of these right now for myself as well as backups, because oh, I love it. It's so pretty. That's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Let's have a bit of Charlotte. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.